Forgot your iTunes backup password? You can't restore data without it, and resetting it usually wipes everything. Here's how to delete the password while keeping your backups intact. iTunes backup password encrypts iPhone or iPad backups to protect health data, passwords, and app history. You can set it up in iTunes or Finder, select your device, check Encrypt Local Backup, create a password. Method 1, Reset via Settings, make a new encrypted backup. On your device, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset, Device, then tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings and enter your device passcode. This won't affect your user data or passwords, but it will reset settings like display brightness. It also removes your encrypted backup password. Method 2, use Keychain Access, Mac only. Open Keychain Access. Search iPhone Backup. Double-click the entry, check Show Password, enter Mac admin password. Limitations, only works if password was saved in Keychain. Method 3, MagFone iPhone Unlocker, no data loss. For a guaranteed fix, MagFone iPhone Unlocker deletes iTunes encryption passwords without touching your backups. Go to Settings, Your Name, Find My, Turn Off. Launch MagFone, select Remove iTunes Backup Encryption, click Start. MagFone auto-detects your device, removes password in 10 seconds.